Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So earnings season's kicked off, and we've got some fairly strong breaks to the upside. We did get some on Friday already, but it's just been a continuation to the upside. We're a little bit overbought right now, but earnings season continues this week, well, for the next couple of weeks. So I would be cautious, but the trend is a strong trend to the upside, and you're looking for pullbacks onto structure in order to buy. So from a 3-hour perspective, it is 42,944 and 42,708. Those are the two main areas where you would want to see support. And as soon as we get down to the 3-hour, you can see this is probably the best opportunity, 42,944. I don't see anything else. This is a bit of a flag it's formed, so I suspect it's going to roll. You've got oscillators grouped to the upside, so it should roll back onto some structure. That's my first bet, but if you get down to the 15-minute, you'll probably find more structure here, and there is a solid bit of structure right here at 43,132. So that's kind of the views that I've got this morning. It's either at 43,132, then you will have 4,300, just because it's a round number. There we go, spot on. And then also 42,944. That would come back to the 150 EMA on the 15-minute, and that would definitely hold that price. So those are the three zones I'd be paying attention to. Definitely not looking to jump in long up here at the moment. Not unless we go sideways for a bit and then break the structure that is forming, which is 43,213, come back and test it. That would get me long as well. But at the moment, I'm looking for that pullback onto some low bit of structure for an opportunity to buy. As soon as price gets there, what we're looking for is pin bars like this, or an inside bar, or an engulfing bar on that level, and you're looking for the entry just above that structure. As soon as price breaks above it, you're in. Stop just below the structure, and that should get you moving quite quickly. Okay, anyway, that's my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.